Hello and welcome to this year's first episode of IDZ News in February 2023. I'm your host, Jerry McCarr from the Intel Developer Zone Studios. As always, if you want to learn more about any of the information in this video, you can follow the links in the description. Let's get going. First up, check out the Accelerate Python with NumPy and Other Smarter oneAPI Equivalence workshop presented by Bob Cheeseborough. This on-demand workshop details how to use key Intel architecture innovations and libraries through a smart application of techniques that enable acceleration of 10x, 100x, or more, including detailed information on NumPy aggregations, universal functions, broadcasting, and other techniques, and how to create outsized performance gains by replacing Python loop-centric or list comprehensive applications with smarter equivalents that are more maintainable, efficient, and faster. Watch the workshop and check out some of the related content to go even deeper in this topic and others like it. Next up, check out the document library, which contains reference architectures, white papers, and solutions briefs to help build and enhance your network infrastructure at any level of deployment. For this episode, we're going to point you to the A10 Thunder CFW virtual appliance delivers 100 gigabits per second throughput white paper. This white paper discusses how communications service providers face challenges in scaling networks to keep up with the connectivity demands created by an explosion of internet-connected devices and expanding coverage into remote, rural geographies. Threat actors are quickly scaling their attacks to keep up with tremendous growth in connectivity, and communications service providers must protect their expanding customer bases and coverage areas. Learn how the A10 vThunder CFW provides a range of security and networking services and runs on servers powered by 3rd Gen Intel Xeon scalable processors and Intel Ethernet 800 series network adapters. Read the white paper and feel free to search for other topics that might be of interest while you are there. Over on the Intel Software YouTube channel, check out the video introducing Intel Advanced Matrix Extensions on 4th Gen Intel Xeon processors. Alberto Villarreal looks at how this new feature expands the use of CPUs for artificial intelligence workloads by adding hardware in the form of dedicated tiles and a set of matrix multiply instructions to operate efficient matrix multiplication operations on those tiles. Watch the video and learn how it takes minimum effort to benefit from this new feature. And finally, also on the Intel Software YouTube channel, check out the latest episode of the Edge Innovation for Developers series, featuring our IDZ Studios longtime collaborator, Stephanie Essen. In this episode, Steph interviews Yasser Mosley, an IoT software engineer here at Intel, who gives you a peek at Edge insights for Fleet. EIF is an end-to-end, cloud-native, microservice-based framework for developing AI video analytics use cases. EIF is based on Edge Insights for Industrial and adds new microservices and features such as video recording, a rules engine to handle business logic, notification and alert handling, and a vehicle telemetry simulator. Check out the video and follow up with any of the related resources that are provided. That's all we've got for this month. Thank you for watching, and remember to like this video and subscribe to the Intel Software YouTube channel to keep up to date with all your IDZ news. See you in March.